any concerns that there might be something that comes out at earnings that investors might react to and would make the stock drop again after an earnings report?
The biggest risk is just that the market is expecting significant strength. So Nvidia is really going to have to outperform by a wide margin to please the market.
Right.
Now, with that in play, there is some concern that September is the weakest month of the year for stocks in general and for the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index specifically.
Yes.
So, even with a good report, there's a high likelihood that Nvidia and the entire chip sector could enter a consolidation or correct to lower prices again in September simply because of natural market dynamics.
The key here is going to be investors are waiting on pins and needles for the Fed decision on interest rates. That's coming up in September, as if there wasn't another potential pressure on Nvidia stock. You have to introduce that into play, and that's just part of a larger the sector rotation that Thomas brought up earlier. It's the fact that you've got consumers or investors, excuse me, who are trying to rotate out of perhaps some of the technology stocks, some of the chip stocks, and they're looking for what sectors might be better options when those interest rates start to come down.
So, all that being considered and everything we've discussed here, are you guys a buy before the earnings report comes out on Nvidia?
Yeah, I think I'm in that camp, but I'm not going to be chasing prices. I do want to point out, though, that over the last month, there was a tremendous spike in institutional activity. So when the market sold off, a wide range of institutions, both public and private, from small to large, including retirement funds for teachers and for other large institutions, made very large triple and quadruple digit increases to their position. So that's a very clear signal from the institutional market that they were buying this dip, that this stock is buyable. They expect to see higher prices. So with the outlook for volatility right now, what I would really be doing is waiting for the next pullback because that would be my trigger to buy.
I think Nvidia is a long-term buy. I wouldn't be chasing the stock right now heading into earnings, but I don't think that even if they really outperform in earnings, it wouldn't discourage me then from starting to chase the stock higher.
Want to keep your finger on the pulse of the market? Text the word YouTube to 68285. That's 68285 and get free breaking news alerts from Marketbeat for the stocks that matter most to you. Don't miss out on crucial updates. Stay informed and stay ahead.